Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles. The 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8903. 8903, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits, that's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's. 1 2 3 4 and 4 ones. 1 2 3 4. Alright, so let's get started. Between two O's comes a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between two O's comes a 1. Between two O's comes a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O, double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's, and 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.